Video doorbells are a must these days, but most brands suffer from overheating or damage from the sun. Just take a look at this Ring Doorbell Pro. It sits on a door facing southwest, and it's dead. So today we'll be replacing it with a new Ring Doorbell Wired. We'll talk about what went wrong, how to prevent it, and compare the two devices. We won't just be replacing it, we'll be making some sun-proof upgrades, so stick around. Hey, I'm Robert, and Oconee Smart Homes exists to make real homes more convenient, accessible, and safe with smart home technology. We serve real customers right here in Oconee County, Georgia, but this channel is for anyone who wants to make a simpler, smarter home. So I've got the old doorbell off so we can talk about what happened here. This Ring Doorbell Plus, originally called the Ring Doorbell Pro, has been out on our front door for about 5 years, and as you can see, the sun really did a number on it. The lens is cloudy and cracked, the button is dry rotted, and the performance suffered with random failures, slow response, and laggy video. But any doorbell that faces south or southwest is likely to face similar issues as it takes the brunt of the hottest and longest sun exposure. In my case, my front door has very little cover to provide shade to the doorbell, making matters worse. But this is not just a Ring problem. Just go onto Reddit or any other brand's forum and you'll see stories of video doorbells overheating in the sun. You likely also have noticed that the bottom part of the glass is cracked and foggy, but the top is not. This is because about a year ago, I used a glass polishing kit to fix up the top part of the lens. The video was blurred and impossible to see, but this worked to help make the picture clear again. I could try to repair this one further, polishing up the bottom and replacing the button, but unfortunately, as of recently, this doorbell has become totally unresponsive, so I'm replacing it. I could just throw up another doorbell and call it a day, but it would be susceptible to the same problems. So I'm going to show you how to add a little sunproofing to your doorbell. Here's what you get in the box with the Ring Doorbell Wired. You've got the instruction booklet, the doorbell itself, a screwdriver for the security screw, and the hardware, which includes your transformer jumper as well as the screws. Before I swap out the old doorbell with this new Ring Doorbell Wired, I need to address our sun issue. I'm going to try and make it a little bit more sun resistant. I will be mounting this with a cover, but before we get to that step, I'm going to apply a UV film that is also scratch and crack resistant. This will provide an extra layer of protection from the sun. So first, I'm going to take this protective cover off. And I'm going to line it up with the film here and cut my initial piece. I just want to get a rough cut at first, and then I'm going to use the utility blade to cut this in. Besides the obvious size difference, there are some technical differences to note. While both models do use your doorbell wiring with a 16-volt transformer, only the Ring Doorbell Pro can control your physical chime. On video quality, the Plus or the Pro has a higher resolution, wider viewing angle to be able to see more at your door, but the Wired is still a decent video footage at 1080p. On the pricing, the Wired is obviously more affordable at about a quarter of the price of the Pro. But note that both will still need a Ring subscription for their advanced features. Overall, Ring Pro is a higher quality camera, but it doesn't matter how many features a device has if it doesn't survive where you install it. So Ring Wired may be simpler, but it brings a lot of value for the price, and with this protection, it could outlast the previous doorbell. So let's get it installed. So we're back out front and have a new doorbell installed. As you can tell, I'm well lit. The sun is beating down on me, the front door, and the doorbell. It's working great right now, but we want to make sure that it works reliably for years to come, and that won't happen if the sun destroys it. So let's take a closer look at our sun protection. First, there's the mount and shade cover. This is installed without any extra screws and provides coverage over the front of the lens to keep it from getting direct sunlight. And then there's the UV film that I installed. After working out all the bubbles, it looks great and it's not impeding the video in any way. So with these two things, I still get the same great picture, but hopefully will extend the life of the doorbell. And you can do these things with just about any smart doorbell. It doesn't have to be Ring. You can find mounts and covers on Amazon for just about any size of doorbell. And of course, I'll share a link to the UV film that I used in the description below. So what do you think? Have you faced these problems before? Or would you consider these small upgrades worth it to increase the life of your device? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.